top 10 largest mining excavators in the world. Get ready to have your mind blown. Today we're talking about monsters of machinery, the colossi that crunch rock for breakfast. Excavators, folks, but not your average ditch diggers. These are the behemoths that dwarf anything you've ever seen. We're talking about machines that move mountains, literally. Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to unveil the largest mining excavators in the world. Prepare for jaw-dropping engine sizes, bucketfuls that would bury a house, and a fuel guzzle that would make a NASCAR jealous. We'll break down the insane specs, the mind-boggling heights, and the unrelenting power that makes these machines the undisputed champions of the dig. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for amazing content like this. Now let's get to it. Liebherr R9600 G8. In the mining world, Liebherr, a firm based in Germany, has made a name for itself and has launched some of the biggest excavators and mining shovels on the market. This includes the R9600 track excavator, among others. With its 45 cubic meter extreme duty teeth-clad bucket, it can sweep up mounds of soil, allowing for it to lift about 150 tons every pass. Years of research and testing in the mining sector culminated in the crawler excavator's introduction in early 2021. Although it is not yet being mass-produced, this model is the logical continuation of the successful R996B. Two 2,500 kilowatt QSK 50 Cummins engines power the beast. An electric drive variant is also offered by Liebherr. Onboard helpers, a revamped cab, and an improved undercarriage are just a few of the technical elements of the new Generation 8. XCMG XE7000. The XE7000 track excavator, made by Zhuzhou Construction Equipment Group, one of China's leading equipment manufacturers, makes this list. Its heavy-duty bucket can lift 120 tons every scoop, and it can load roughly 34 cubic meters of material. With a working weight of 672 tons, it makes sense that two Perkins 2506D EU15TA diesel engines producing 3,600 horsepower each power it. Exceptional performance is guaranteed by a maximum digging force of 167 tons. The XE7000 is designed to be used in tandem with the biggest dump trucks, which can hold 300 to 400 tons of cargo. The machine's 23.5 meter length makes it very space intensive. Additionally, XCMG provides the XE7000E, a variant that makes use of two electro-hydraulic motors. Liebherr R996B. While the R996B is Liebherr's second largest mining excavator, it ranks just 8th on our list. Two Cummins K1800E engines producing a combined 2240 kilowatt, 3,000 horsepower, power the massive 676-ton machine. A backhoe with 36 cubic meter capacity also provides a digging force of 1,535 kN. With the option to install an Arctic kit, the Liebherr R996B can withstand temperatures as low as -50 Celsius, that's -58 Fahrenheit, making it suitable for the harshest environments and the most demanding tasks. However, R996B crawler excavators may also be seen in warmer climates, such as in Indonesian and Australian coal mines. DMAG H740OS. Built specifically for use in Canadian sand quarries in 1999, this is now one of the biggest mining dump trucks in the world. The excavator can lift up to 40 cubic tons of material at once, and its total curb weight exceeds 700 tons. This equipment, which is custom built for KMC mining, produces 2,320 kN of breakout force. That gives the operator peace of mind when it comes to digging strength. Two CAT 3516B DITA diesel engines each with 16 cylinders, provide 3,280 kW, 4,000 HP, which is more than enough power for the Demag H740 OS. Komatsu PC8011. Next up is Komatsu, CAT's direct rival in Japan. Standing at 770 tons, the PC8000 front shovel has a heaping bucket capacity of 42 cubic meters, allowing it to lift 700 tons and more. A whopping 4,020 horsepower is unleashed from its dual Komatsu SDA 16V 160E3 diesel engines. The Komatsu PC8000 ranks as the largest mining excavator offered by the Japanese firm, and the 6th largest hydraulic excavator in the world. The PC8011, based on the successful PC8006, is an upgrade in every way possible. It is available with either a backhoe or a front shovel attachment, and it has state-of-the-art electronics and telematics from Komatsu. It has a tear-out force of 1,813 kilonewtons that can dig 8 meters deep. The 42 cubic meter backhoe and shovel is designed to fit vehicles weighing 240 to 400 US tons. Hitachi EX8006. Built with open-pit coal mines in mind, this model made its debut in 2012. There is enough room in a typical bucket to hoist 75 tons of quarry material at once. A third of the world's hydraulic mining excavators are Hitachi models, and this is the heaviest mining excavator ever built by Hitachi. The EX8000-6 is the pinnacle of Japanese excavator technology. An impressive engine, sturdy construction, roomy cabin, and user-friendly control system characterize this unique tracked vehicle. This enormous 837-ton excavator may be outfitted with either a standard boom or a front shovel arm. Its 2,900 kW, 3,890 HP of power comes from two Cummins QSK-TA60C diesel engines. The maximum digging depth of the excavator is 13.8 meters, and it has a digging force of 2,230 kilonewtons. P&H 4100 XPC. Until now, no Russian company has manufactured a larger excavator than this. The PH 4100 XPC can process around 200 million tons of coal or other rock yearly. The bucket has a capacity of 57 cubic meters, and the equipment weighs over 150 tons. The 575 million metric ton model has already paid for itself in one of Kuzbass's open-pit coal mines, as it was able to supplant 4 separate specialist mining excavators with relative ease. 2 persons are needed to run it, and the cabin has a sitting space and a restroom for their convenience. In the electric excavator market, few can compare to the 4100 XPC in terms of size and output. Bucyrus RH400. The German engineering firm O&K created this behemoth, and it is still the biggest hydraulic-operated excavator in use today. The power plant can generate 4,500 horsepower and uses a 15,000-liter diesel fuel tank for its operation. This hydraulic mining excavator can sweep up almost 9,900 tons of material each hour. Thanks to its maximum speed reaching 2.2 kilometers per hour and its 2 engines, which together generate 3,360 kilowatts, that's 4,500 horsepower, need 6 car batteries just to start. An intriguing feature of the vehicle is its ability to function in extreme weather conditions. This is achieved, for instance, by including a mechanism that heats engine oil. The price tag, which amounts to about $14 million US, is justified for such a behemoth. When it debuted in 1997 in Germany, this massive machine was known as the Terex HR400. Terex incorporated its brand into the model after acquiring O&K Mining a year later. But in 2010, Terex's mining business was acquired by Bucyrus, and the model was rebranded as Bucyrus HR400. Caterpillar 6090 FS. As of right now, the largest mass-manufactured excavator on the planet is the sophisticated Caterpillar 6090 FS hydraulic front shovel, an enormous 55 cubic meter extreme-duty bucket with a lifting capacity of 103 tons per heap and an enormous working weight of 1,102 metric tons makes it an impressive machine. If you're looking for power, the Cat 6090 doesn't disappoint, with an exhilarating 4,500 horsepower, dual Cummins QSK60 diesel engine, or an electric motor with a maximum starting current of 780 amps. Since Caterpillar expanded its mining sector in 2011 by purchasing Bucyrus, the model is based on Bucyrus HR400. The 6090 FS, on the other hand, has upgraded hydraulics and oil flow systems, a harder undercarriage, greater customer service, LED work lights for night shifts, and cutting-edge electronics. The Cat 6090 FX mining excavator can lift an astounding 1,000 tons. Loading the 797, the biggest Cat dump truck, only takes 4 passes with large shovels, which can carry weights of up to 93.6 tons. Excavator Bagger 288. Commissioned by mining company Rheinbraun, the Bagger 288, a unique behemoth, weighs 13,500 tons and is the largest excavator ever made by mankind. 240 meters in length, 46 meters in breadth, and over 100 meters in height. Think about how much power would be needed to move this system. 16.5 megawatts of energy would be required to relocate and power this mechanical behemoth. Using Caterpillar tracks, the gigantic creature travels around and can reach speeds of up to 600 meters per hour. Digging is done using a rotational mechanism and several buckets, arranged as teeth. The Bagger 288 can remove 240,000 tons of coal daily, which is the equivalent of about 2,500 coal cars. The 18-bucket system uses the rotary mechanism's circular motions to maintain a steady digging activity. Here, loading and extraction happen at the same time. As soon as the mining operation is complete, the rotating mechanism deposits the materials into a conveyor belt that transports the materials to the loading area. A crew of 4 individuals is responsible for servicing the excavator. A shift manager and 1 operator are responsible for the unloading procedure from a conveyor belt. It took 5 years for it to be completed, at its ultimate cost of about $100 million. But it's well worth it, as the excavator can load 4,000 regular Kamaz trucks per day. Honorable mention, Excavator 4250W Big Muskie. In 1969, Bucyrus Erie designed the 4250 excavator, also known as Big Muskie, for use in an Ohio coal mine in the United States. The biggest walking excavator in the world, it would have made number 2 on our list. The enormous structure took 2 years to build, and over $25 million in the US was used. The 13,000-ton Big Muskie had a bucket volume of 168 cubic meters. 2 passenger buses could fit easily within its scoop. It required 13,000 volts, which is enough power to run 25,000 apartments for Big Muskie to turn on. 2 sets of hydraulic cylinders operated each of the supports. As a result, Big Muskie used the hydraulic system of the support shoes to lift itself off the ground, step forward, and then use the support plates to sit down again. After 30 years of service and the production of over 465 million cubic meters of rock for mining firms, the Big Muskie finally reached the end of its service life and is now being disassembled for components. The model was involved in the production of over 20 million tons of coal. That's a wrap. If you love this video, make sure to check out our series where we talk about the biggest, baddest, and most imposing machines created by man. Also, tell us down in the comments which of these machines you think was a game changer for the mining industry. We'd love to hear what you think. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more to show you. Until next time.